Year after year, gumaganda ang mga smartphone na nilalabas si Umidigi. And this is probably the first ever na Note series ni Umidigi. This is the Umidigi Note 100 5G. Powered by the Unisoc T765 na 5G processor, meron siyang 50MP na triple camera, 5,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, plus meron pa siyang FM antenna. More details after this quick intro. Na itong hawak ko na Umidigi Note 100 5G na 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage would come at 4 different colors. Meron siyang rock black, starry white, interstellar blue, and lake green. Now, as of press time, wala pa akong presyo, pero I think that this phone should be somewhere below 10,000 pesos. Pag once makakuha ng update na presyo dito, I'll post on the description box below. Now, looking at sa kanyang design, I'm quite impressed. Ang ganda, ang laki ng dinundag na sa design. This time around, ang ganda ng kanyang likod. Yung kanyang design is medyo humahambing sa mga Nova series ni Huawei, yung kanyang back case. And it looks quite premium. Another thing to notice is yung kanyang camera bump. Flat na rin siya. Wala na rin camera rings. Maganda rin ang kanyang kanto dahil chinamfer niya, so hindi siya edgy. Andyan pa rin ang kanyang audio jack, so panalo to para sa mga audio lovers. And hybrid nga pala siya, so you can use isang micro SD plus isang nano SIM or dalawang nano SIM na 5G sabay. Another good news. And of course, nandiyan pa rin ka express key dito, so you can configure it kung anong gusto ninyo mangyari sa kanya. Pag pindot mo, pwede siya maging camera, maging calculator, or whatever you want it to be. Aking ginawa kong camera, so pag pinindot ko, camera nga siya. Now, ang meron dito is a 6nm chip na from Unisoc, and this is the T765 na processor, which is a 5G chip, by the way. And masasabi ko sa inyo is that malayo na rin ang narating ni Unisoc, no? For its chip, it was almost getting a near 500,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. So alam naman natin pag umabot siya ng 500 points, ano ang kakayahan nitong processor na ito. So this is the breakdown score. Now, 306 ang kanyang loop score and 99% stability dito sa Wildlife Extreme. Ito ang kanyang CPU benchmarking sa Geekbench and ang kanyang GPU benchmarking. Pagdating sa thermal throttling, goods na goods siya, and it throttled to 95% ng kanyang best performance. Now, pagdating sa battery, 5,000 mAh ang kanyang battery. Hindi pa rin sila gumagamit ng bagong technology na silicon carbon. This is still a lithium-ion na battery. On day-to-day basis, kasama ang kanyang 20 watts of fast charging brick, it can last you through a day without even charging. Now, there are times na kaya pa nito mag-extend up to 2 days of usage dahil very efficient ang Unisoc na T765 na chip. Nano sinala ko sa battery stress test dito sa PC Mark and nabigyan ako ng roughly 17 hours na screen on time. Based sa 50% brightness is 60Hz na screen refresh rate na testing natin. Panalo, di ba? Now, pagdating naman sa display, malaki rin ang display na 6.8-inch na HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Meron siyang aspect ratio of 20:9 and meron din siyang touch sampling rate na 240Hz. Meron din siyang eye care mode, so makakatulong yan if you're using the phone for long hours. And if you're browsing naman dito on social, expect naman magandang kanyang experience. Dahil smooth naman ang refresh rate dito sa kanya and browsing on TikTok or Facebook or on YouTube Shorts, okay naman siya. Now, this phone only has a level 3 na wideband security level, so hindi ka makakanood ng HD dito, definitely. Pero kung nanonood ka naman ng mga videos dito, YouTube, okay naman siya. I would say na ma-enjoy naman ng buong barkada, buong pamilya. Wala ka maging problema dito. Except na hindi ko lang masyado gusto is that makapal ang kanyang punch hole and medyo makapal din ang kanyang mga bezels. Pero overall view experience niya is quite satisfactory naman. Now, one thing na missing dito sa kanya is that this only has one loud-firing speaker dito sa ilalim and walang siyang speaker dito sa ibabaw. And nung tinest ko naman siya on Spotify nung naka-loudspeaker, average yung kanyang sound. Not the best na mapapakinggan mo on a phone at this price point, but overall, ang kanyang sound is okay, not bad. Hindi naman siya tunog lata. Now, I did play 2 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, halos medium graphical settings na kaya natin lagay dito. And okay naman ang kanyang gameplay. The response naman ng screen is quite fast naman and wala mo naging problema pagdating sa controls. And nung naglalaro mo ng Battle Royale dito, nakapag-enjoy naman ako ng 30 minutes dito. And umabot tayo ng 40 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Now, pagdating sa Farlight 84, nakaset sa pinaka-lowest sa graphical settings na possible. Dahil siguro yung processor is not enough to power up itong device na ito. But surprisingly, medyo smooth naman ang gameplay ko while playing Farlight 84 at the lowest graphical settings. Though the graphics is suffering a bit. Meron siyang mga lags na napapansin ko yung frame drops, pero hindi naman siya ganun kagarapal. And ma-enjoy mo rin naman ang gameplay, though hindi to the point na ma-enjoy mo on the mga mid-range na phone. But I would say that it's still playable, and playing after 30 minutes dito sa phone na ito, personally, masasabi ko playable, pero I'd rather play it on another smartphone na better ang graphics. And umabot siya ng 42 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Napag-usapan natin ang camera performance dito sa phone na ito. It has a 50MP na main camera sensor, 2MP na macro camera, and 2MP na depth sensor. It can record you up to 4K and 30 FPS, which is a surprise. And ang kanyang front camera is a 16MP na shooter, which can record you up to 1080p and 30 FPS. So ngayon guys, i-analyze natin some outdoor shots na nakuha natin from the Note 100 5G ni Umidigi. Now normally on other phones, when I captured this one, medyo mas whitish siya. Pero pagdating dito kay Note 100 5G, medyo naging yellowish siya konti. No, it's a little bit more of the yellowish tint attack. No, based what I can see on this photo. Pero marami naman siya details na na-capture sa bato. Now, looking at this flower, on other cameras, it looks to be more orangey than a more pinkish attack. So, medyo iba ang color na nakaka-capture ni Umidigi Note 100 5G. But the details are intact. And itong red niya, I would say na parang masyadong red ang ganang red. But the picture ain't that bad. Pero medyo reddish lang siya sobra. And itong pink na itong flower na ito, it should be pink. Pero medyo naging mas purple siya than pink. Pero itong yellow naman okay, pero medyo nag-out of focus nga lang siya. This one is color accurate. Ako ano nakita ko sa actual, ganito rin nakita ko itong purple na flower na ito. And this one is supposed to be a little bit more of a lighter yellow shade, pero dito parang mas naging orange naman siya. Now if you're trying to check yung mga micro details dito sa dahon na ito, pag zoomin mo, yes, kitang-kita yung mga micro na kung ano microorganism dito sa dahon na ito. Now, if you're indoor naman, try to take some food shot. Medyo mas bland lang siya tingnan. Medyo parang wala masyadong buhay sa food na kinukuha natin dito. No? So, not really the best na makita mo, but not so bad. And ito rin, makita mo na parang medyo simple lang shot na ito. Hindi lang siya masyadong nagsistand out. But kung medyo low light, makita mo, it still can perform not so bad. And mabilis naman siya mag-focus based sa aking experience. Now, nilaro naman natin kanang zoom lens, a normal shot. This is a 2x zoom shot. And this is a 3x zoom shot. So, after 3x zooming, okay, nababasa ko pa rin every single text dito sa menu board. Now, further taking some low light shot, well, okay, it can perform. And taking this simple shot, okay, pero hindi lang masyadong blurry yung kanyang background blur. And taking some bean shot, looks okay naman kung hindi mo zoom, pero pag zoom mo, mukha na siyang soft. As well as this shot, parang hindi lang masyado nag-focus. Now, back to outdoors, malino naman, no? Itong nakuha natin na signages dito along Maria Clara Street. And another signage dito looks quite sharp naman ang nakuha ko. And itong photo na ito, I would say na not so bad, no? On other phones, this looks more of a little bit more of a gold-plated, pero ito mas naging rusty-plated ang datingan nitong figure na to. But overall, the shot is quite good. Kapag selfie camera ang pag-uusapan natin, medyo hindi ko masyado gusto ang kanyang selfie camera because of the quality na na-capture dito. No? Medyo low quality based sa aking experience. And yeah, medyo soft ang mga photos na na-capture niya on outdoor. So expect natin when it goes indoor, medyo ganun din. Magsasuffer din talaga siya. Makita soft ang mga photos from the selfie camera. Now, if you're using the front-facing camera to take a quick vlog, expect mo na shaky and hindi ganun kalinaw ang kanyang resolution. And if you're using kanyang rear camera to take a vlog, equally shaky, pero mas malinaw siya ng konti kaysa kanyang front-facing camera, which I think you can use this as pang-steady vlogging. Basta may tripod. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Umidigi Note 100 5G? One of the things na napansin ko dito sa kanya nung nilagay ko ang Globe SIM and Smart SIM, mabilis naman siya makakasagap ng signal. Wala kang maging problema dito if you're using it here in the Philippines. And another thing na napansin ko rin sa kanya is kumanda ka ng design. Probably one of the things na napansin ko kasi nakakahawak naman tayo ng Umidigi and we've been seeing their incremental na improvement through the years. And this is probably one of the most better looking na Umidigi phone so far out there. Yung kanyang processor dito sa loob, si Unisoc T765 is quite capable naman handling multitasking, except that if you want to play heavier games, medyo hirap nga lang siya. Overall, the camera is just average and the front-facing camera is quite bad. Now, after ng review natin nito, would you buy the Umidigi Note 100 5G? Let me know in the comments. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll be posting the link on the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.